Someone sold one n8n workflow and made $4,200 while keeping his day job. Here's exactly how. n8n is the open source automation platform behind most AI agent setups. 10,000 tasks a month, $60. Zapier charges $299 for the same. I'll be straight with you. After testing 6 automation platforms over the past year, the thing that actually sets n8n apart is this. Drop real JavaScript or Python inside any workflow node. A law firm ran a full contract review agent. Zero cloud, zero data leaks. Would you trust AI with your documents on your own server? 10,000 executions monthly. n8n costs $60. Zapier costs $299. That $239 gap is your margin when you build for clients. Zapier has 8,000 integrations. n8n has 1,000. But n8n wins on depth, not breadth. Self-hosted, free forever. A $5 Hetzner server handles it. Cloud starts at $24 a month. 14-day trial, no credit card. The 40 is a $200 story, 4 months. $800 to $2,000 a month selling workflow templates. Not one night, but real. Score 8.5 out of 10. If you know APIs, this is your fastest path to a $2,000 monthly client retainer. If you're non-technical, use Zapier. Done. The real risk, silent failures at 3 a.m. with 0 alerts. Build your error workflow, or you will wake up to 12 hours of broken automation. Worth it? Yes or no? Drop it below. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.